Over the years, Hupy and Abraham has helped thousands of injured bikers receive tens of millions of dollars. Because we've seen so many catastrophic injuries, we've decided that we need a website that helps bikers. Not only do we publish periodicals, but the website is a powerful informational resource that provides valuable information in the event you've been involved in an accident. It also provides biker with resources towards events, important topics, newsworthy items. Come to Hupy.com where we provide valuable information for bikers.